Duraframe, they are self-adhesive and magnetic, so they're ideal for any office environment that may need to display evacuation signs or diagrams. It's just a matter of lining them up, preferably with a measure. But it just tilts. It is better to have a second person the backing off and then just use, like what I use, a ruler and just get any air bubbles out that may have come up. So we're installing them on this surface which is glass, but we previously have done in other areas where there's no windows, just on the door, and it works just as well. And that's pretty much done. You open it up, you display what you need to display. In this case it's the evacuation diagram, and it's sitting in a nice frame, and it's identified by all staff members that this is something they need to put more attention to it. Thanks for watching.